Hey gamers, welcome to my Picrew tutorial. So this is Picrew. What you wanna go on is this tab here to look at many Picrews, but if you wanna look at popular ones, they're right here. However, this tab has Picrews that people have just made, and you can refresh it and get more. So this is how you get it sometimes does this. This is how you get a majority of your Picrews. So you click on one, then you click here, and then you just click through these options. Do whatever you want. This button here, it randomizes it, and if you accidentally hit it, just hit the yellow again, so you don't delete what you've done. And you can color pressing this, and sometimes you can move things. So you hit this, you can move it like that. And when you're done, you hit this button, then you can right click and copy the image. You're welcome.